In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a penguin using shapes in Microsoft Word. Start by opening Microsoft Word and creating a blank document. We'll build the penguin step by step using simple shapes, so you can adjust each part individually before putting everything together. Begin by going to the Insert tab and selecting Shapes. Choose an oval, then draw a large vertical oval in the center of the page. This will become the main body of the penguin. Try to make the oval tall enough to give the character a clear penguin shape. Next, add another oval above the body to create the penguin's head. Make this oval smaller than the body and position it carefully so the two shapes overlap slightly. Once the basic body and head are in place, select the Shape Fill option and make the head and outer body black. Now, create the penguin's white belly. Insert another smaller oval and place it inside the black body. Adjust its size and position so it fits neatly within the body, leaving a black border around it. This creates the familiar black and white appearance of a penguin. For the eyes, insert two small black circles and place them on the head. Then add two smaller white circles inside the eyes. These smaller circles create the highlights and help make the penguin's face look more expressive. Next, create the beak using a triangle shape. Insert the triangle, adjust its size, and rotate or position it so the point faces outward from the penguin's face. Change its fill color to orange to make it stand out. Now add the penguin's feet. Use two orange shapes at the bottom of the body and position them side by side. These will complete the lower part of the character. For the wings, add oval or curved shapes on both sides of the body. Position them so they overlap the edges of the main body. You can adjust their size and placement to create a balanced appearance. Once all the pieces are in place, use Shape Outline and Shape Fill to adjust the colors and outlines of the individual shapes. If some shapes overlap incorrectly, use Bring Forward or Send Backward to arrange them in the correct order. Finally, select the different parts of the penguin and use the Group option. Grouping the shapes allows you to move or resize the entire penguin as one object without separating its individual parts. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,